The other day, I saw one of my friends collecting data from a website like this. He was looking at the source data and then manually typing into his Excel sheet. Well, when there are only 50 rows and 10 columns, there is nothing wrong with this method. But what if there are 1000 rows and 50 columns? It must be very difficult to type on 50,000 cells without making an silly error. So in this brief tutorial, I will demonstrate an easier method in 5 simple steps. To begin, copy the URL of the web page containing the source data. Then create a new Excel workbook or simply open the sheet in which to store the data. Go to the data menu and then select from web, which will retrieve data from the internet for you. Then paste the URL you just copied. Then click OK. Hold on a few seconds while Excel establish a connection with the host of the web page. This will display a list of tables from that website. Excel allows you to see a preview of those tables, and you can also directly transform the data in the query editor from this dialog. Click Load once you have decided which table to be imported in your Excel sheet. And here it is. You have flawlessly imported a massive amount of data in a matter of seconds. Thank you for your time.